Hello everybody, Ryan Cunningham here again today. I'm going to be opening this box right here. It contains a Black MacBook. So let's get started. Alright, so this is not exactly an unboxing because really the box is just, it's not Apple. It's not from Apple, so it technically is not an unboxing, which means that it may or may not be a little more difficult to open. But Black MacBook is, it's kind of rare because it was only made for a couple years and there really hasn't been anything like it since. Sure, we've had some, space gray stuff, but nothing in the way that, the Black MacBook was. So here we have the charging cable. I already have one of these for MacBook Pro. As you can see, it's in okay condition, but then again, this was used, and I got this off of eBay for around, what was it, like $50-something, which is, I think, a pretty good deal. The only thing wrong with it is that it doesn't have working Wi-Fi, but that is no problem, because I have an extra Wi-Fi card. And look at this beauty. Look at this. This is actually really nice. Like, I'm not even just saying to say that. You can see, like, the contrast. It's just incredible. Like, it really kind of sticks out in a way that, the silver ones don't. It's in decent condition, actually. If we take a look at some of the ports on it, we can see that about the standard stuff you'd see on an Apple computer from 2008. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so you can see you got your charging port here, your Ethernet, display adapter, FireWire, USB 2.0, USB 2.0, microphone jack, and a headphone jack. And on this side we got nothing except a CD/DVD drive. And back you just got a couple fans, which are actually really nicely blended in with the rest of the body. Vents, actually. They're really nicely blended in. It fits pretty nicely. So, that's nice. Now, let's take a look and see what the inside looks like here. Opening it up, we can see that the keyboard is this kind of nice blackish color. It really it's definitely a contrast from the white MacBook in many different ways, actually. I have the white MacBook keyboard with me right somewhere. Oh yeah, okay, so here's the white MacBook right here for a comparison. This is from the same year, same model. Keyboard's not in it, but you can see they are the same, but the white Apple logo, it sticks out. It has more of a click than this one does right here. Okay, so after a bit of digging, I found the white MacBook keyboard right here. It's the same layout, pretty much. The only difference is the top row and some of the labels on the keys. This is a slightly newer layout that Apple soon would adopt for their entire product lineup. And you can kind of see, we zoom in, the first couple keys are different than these first couple keys, which is unique in a way. So anyway, I don't know if it's charged. I think it requires it to be plugged in, but I don't actually happen to have a Black MacBook battery. I know, crazy, right? But things in pretty good condition. Actually, the display is very smooth, and it's overall very smooth. It's just going to need a little bit of cleaning, and it'll be perfect. As you can see, we do not have power, so we're going to have to plug it in using a MacBook Pro charging cable. And green light indicates that it may work. And let's boot it up and see what happens. Nice encouraging boot up sound there. Sorry, it's just me moving stuff around. I'm not sure what version of OS X this is running, but I think it's running something like 10.6. I know it's going to be older than 10.10 because the boot up screen is different, and it's not compatible with this MacBook officially. Okay, looks like it's OS X 10.6. Click this one. Let me take a guess at what the password is. I know I'm gonna wipe it anyway. Nope. He gave me the password in the email, but I don't know what that is. I don't have it with me right now. My phone's dead. But anyway, I think that's going to be about it for this video. And as always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And leave a like if you enjoyed. And as always, have a good day.